Looking for a unique heartfelt gift to surprise someone special? You may have come across NanyShop.com, a website that promises beautifully customized items like engraved memorial plaques, LED nightlights, monogrammed mugs, sun catchers, keepsake candles, and other emotionally appealing products. At first glance, everything looks convincing. Well-designed product photos, emotional messaging, and a wide range of personalized gift options that seem perfect for commemorating important life moments. But behind the sentimental packaging, is Nany Shop truly a legitimate brand, or is it just another online store built to pull on your heartstrings and empty your wallet? In this video, we investigate the facts that really matter. We dug into the domain's WA history and found that the website is fairly new, despite Nany Shop claiming to have years of experience in the personalized gifting industry. That's our first red flag. Then we looked at their About Us section, which sounds charming but lacks specific details about the team, their mission, or any physical address signs that often hint toward a drop shipping operation. Going a step further, we performed reverse image searches and discovered that many of their so-called exclusive products appear across multiple websites, sometimes at even lower prices, raising serious questions about originality and authenticity. The customer feedback is equally conflicting. While some users praise their purchases, many report frustrating issues like shipping delays, poor product quality, and zero response from customer support after money has changed hands. On platforms like Trustpilot, reviews swing between 5-star raves that feel too polished and suspiciously positive, to harsh 1-star warnings that accuse the site of being a scam. So is Nany Shop a hidden gem for customized gifts, or just another cookie-cutter site with a sentimental twist to lure customers? We break it all down: facts, feedback, and red flags, so you can decide for yourself before clicking that Buy Now button.